Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a pretty different video than I've ever done before. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos because a lot of people don't know. And we are going to just hop right into it. It is super easy and we're going to start from the very beginning. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your app store and you're going to search, I already have it up here, thumbnail maker for YouTube. And then there's going to be one right here, and it kind of looks like the YouTube logo, except it says thumbnail. It's this one. And then since I already have it installed, I'm just going to click open, but obviously you'd click install. And then it's going to bring you to this front page, where you have lots of different options, but you click thumbnail maker, the very top one. It shows you all these different template options, very cool. However, if you look, a lot of them have crowns on them, which basically means they're VIP and you have to use money for them. But also, if you look, there's a few that you don't need money for, so that's good too. So if you look, whenever you click on any of the templates, they have camera options. So when you want to add your photo, you're going to click on the camera, and I'm just going to stick with this basic one. And it will show you all of your photos, and then you're going to click on the one you want to use, and I think we'll use this one. And then you get to the point where this is how your photo shows up. So if you want to make it smaller, you're going to pinch it. And if you want to make it bigger, I mean, like you zoom in. It's not very hard to explain, but it's just hard to explain. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like a lot of people know anyway. So then you adjust the photo how you want it. Okay, so then you look at the bottom, and there's a big T, which stands for text. So you can type in whatever you want. And I'm going to go to my emojis and do a tear emoji to make it look like he is crying. So what you do is you go to the two arrows and you can make it bigger or smaller there. And you can also adjust the way it's facing like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it over to underneath his eye to make it look like he is crying. I think that should be good. Let me check. Oh yeah, I like that. And then there is a kind of face thing beside the T, and that's stickers. So basically what you do is you click on the sticker you want. For example, I'll just use this one. Once again, you can make it bigger or smaller with the arrows, but I'm actually not using a sticker. So I'm just going to click X to delete it. Then when you click on this image thing, it's the exact same as the stickers, except you can pick a photo from your gallery to already add, but you know, I'm not going to add that once again, so you just click on it like you did with the other ones. Then we have this paintbrush, and basically, you pick a color. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to ruin it, but you pick a color, for example, black, and then you just drag your finger along the thing, and you could draw like a heart or anything. And then right here on these circles, you can edit it and make it look different. That's actually pretty cool. I've never used this, which I actually like that. I might actually keep that. I think it's pretty cool. And then right here we have this, and this, like, you can adjust the brightness of your photo to make it brighter, and that was way too bright. Or you can make it different contrast, but I'm going to have it back to normal for that, but we can keep the brightness. And then lastly right here, it's another sticker, and you can just add a different sticker, but once again, I'm not adding that. And now lastly, once you're done, you're going to click check mark. And it will save it for you, and it's just saved to your gallery. But now I'm going to show you how to apply it, because like I said, we're going all the way from step 1 to the end. So what I'll do is I'll click on my library and my videos. And you guys are getting a sneak peek of lots of videos I have all ready to go up. But the one that I'm doing is this one, Baby Life Cam Breaks His Arm. So you're going to click on those 3 dots. And you're going to click Edit Advanced Settings in Studio. And for this, you're going to have YouTube Studio downloaded. You do the exact same thing as I did with Thumbnail Maker, and you just go to App Store and search YouTube Studio and download it. And then you're going to click this writing button right here, the pencil. And you're going to click Custom Thumbnail, and it shows you all your thumbnails. And I'm going to do this one, and it does it perfect. And then you click Select, Save, and go back to my thing, and then I'm going to click refresh, and if we go down, that's my thumbnail. Okay guys, so that was me showing you how to make your thumbnails and add them. I hope this video was helpful for you. But we're going to end the video here because now I have to edit and make a thumbnail for this video. So I hope you liked this video. And if you found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you feel like it. And click the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.